will talk about how can you sign out of your account on your Remap. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click on settings here. So then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you will find here sign out, you just click on it. So then here automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your Limap. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. That's all you have to do. I wish know you are it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.